Welcome to another exciting story from the DIY diorama of Clever Diecast Cars. In the intricately designed diorama city, there is bustling activity when a dark, elegantly shining Hot Wheels sports car with its distinctive black wheels loses control. Speeding around a curve, it skids across the road and lands roughly in the bushes beside the street. A severe accident that immediately draws the attention of surrounding die cars and tiny cars. A white green light police car arrives with blaring sirens. It secures the accident scene to prevent further damage to other model cars. However, rescuing the crashed miniature car requires reinforcements. A powerful crane is called in. Shortly after, it arrives, extending its massive supports, and with precise control, lifts the sporty diecast model gently from the dense bushes. Among the scene, 25 more model cars illustrate the bustling traffic of the miniature city. A German Porsche police vehicle has also arrived at the site to assist in securing the area. A classic VW Beetle and several powerful 70s muscle cars, including legendary American models, wait in the dense traffic, anticipating the accident's clearance. An imposing MAN truck stands nearby, observing the event from its elevated driver's cabin. The diecast police officers direct the traffic to bring order to the chaos. With a careful hand movement, the Porsche police car is driven directly to the accident site. Then begins the rearrangement of waiting tiny cars. Some Matchbox vehicles are repositioned to allow traffic to resume its flow. The miniature city breathes a sigh of relief as the crane safely places the Hot Wheels model onto the tow truck's platform. Now, the wrecked vehicle can be taken to the workshop. Slowly, normalcy returns to the diorama. The traffic jam dissolves, and the Matchbox and diecast vehicles continue their journeys to their destinations. The flow of traffic in the miniature city resumes smoothly. Another thrilling chapter in the world of model cars has been written, and the city is ready for the next adventure. In the heart of the Clever Diecast Cars diorama, a silver-blue Chevrolet police car from Hot Wheels patrols the bustling miniature streets. This American police vehicle, known for its speed and precision, ensures that every tiny car, diecast model, and matchbox vehicle abides by the rules of the diorama city. With its flashing lights and siren echoing through the miniature landscape, it stands as a symbol of order and justice. The Great Highway Pursuit. One day, as the Hot Wheels police Chevrolet monitored traffic on the main highway of the diorama, a bright red muscle car from the 70s roared past, blatantly disregarding speed limits. The pursuit began. With its powerful engine, the police car swiftly maneuvered between die-cast trucks and matchbox sedans, expertly drifting through tight corners. The red muscle car attempted a daring escape by veering off into a side road, but the Chevrolet police vehicle was relentless. Using its strategic positioning, it forced the speeding muscle car to slow down, ultimately bringing it to a stop. Justice was served, and the diecast city remained safe. The bank heist getaway. Late in the evening, as the streets glowed under the soft diorama lighting, an alarm blared from the Matchbox Bank. A pair of rogue Hot Wheels getaway cars, a sleek black Camaro and a yellow Mustang, sped off with stolen gold bars. The silver-blue Chevrolet police car responded immediately, sirens wailing as it accelerated through the miniature streets. Dodging parked diecast model cars and tiny roadblocks, it chased down the criminals. The Camaro attempted a sharp turn near the city's main bridge, but the police vehicle executed a flawless pit maneuver, sending it spinning. The Mustang, now alone, tried to escape through a hidden alley, but the Chevrolet was too quick. With nowhere to run, both suspects were apprehended, and the city's valuables were recovered. A mysterious disappearance. One foggy morning, a valuable vintage matchbox truck carrying limited edition Hot Wheels cars vanished without a trace. The silver-blue Chevrolet police car was on the case. Following a set of tire marks, it tracked the missing vehicle to an abandoned part of the diorama. There, hidden behind stacks of tiny containers, was the stolen truck, its cargo untouched. The clever detective work of the Hot Wheels police car ensured that the crime was solved, proving once again that no mystery in the Clever Diecast Cars diorama could escape its watchful eyes. Day after day, the silver-blue Chevrolet police car patrols the vibrant streets of the diorama, ready to respond to any challenge. Whether it's a high-speed chase, a robbery, or a mysterious disappearance, this diecast guardian remains the ultimate protector of the miniature world. I hope you enjoyed my video. In the coming days, you can look forward to more new videos with many interesting and exciting stories from my miniature city. Stay tuned for more adventures.